Today I'm going to introduce to you is how to transfer from USD bank account to SGD bank account. Let's say I want to transfer the money internally. So how to do about it? Go to banking, go to spend money, and go to currency, and you have to change it to USD first. Of course, you can key in the exchange rate, and whether you want to update to the table list, option to you. And then you can see now is Citibank USD. The Citibank USD will be appear, and I want to transfer maybe 1,000 US dollar. Just click transfer to SGD. So I just need to look back my UOB bank account, SGD. Okay, click OK, and that's all. Let me show you the double entry as well. Just choose for today date, trade. See, that's the double entry is done. Thank you for today. Hope you will learn how to do transfer within different currency, not only USD, and also maybe other currency, China yen, Malaysia ringgit, in maybe GBP, all can be done by using this method. Okay, thank you.